Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Hopefully, you're having a good day. Jed, how did you piss Oni off already? I don't know. Hi, Susie. Hi, Oni. How are you guys doing? All right. So today, I needed to take a little break from resin. Actually, he didn't say hi. That's true. That is true, Oni. I see that. He said, hi, Susie, dot, Oni. That was not a hi, Oni. Is it though? Uh-huh. 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 I don't think so. That's a feck off, Oni, kind of. That's a feck off kind of Oni. He was. He was. Totally was. All right. So I thought I had a jar cleaned up and ready for this, but I was wrong. He's so judgy. Hasn't stopped you before. So what I need to do is clean up the label on this jar. And then so what I'm doing is I'm finally making the urn for Ava's ashes. Our puppy that we lost. So I'm just using some acetone to help get the label off of this jar. Break down the stick of it. I covered my nails because I'm using acetone and, don't want to have to repaint my fingernails already. So are you guys doing today? Obviously, Oni said he's putting away groceries. Don't have enough fury. He does. You should piss him off more like you do everybody else, Jed. I mean, what? Sorry. Have you looked? Because I don't think I've ever looked. I know in WoW you could. My emo self bought myself a Valentine's Day chocolate box only because I know I won't get anything that day. Aw. Okay. That side is pretty well cleaned up.